Transform your bathroom into a luxurious oasis with the Nuie Renay brushed brass sliding shower door. This exquisite piece effortlessly blends modern elegance with bold style, making it the perfect statement piece for anyone looking to upgrade their space. Whether you're diving into a full bathroom renovation or simply adding a chic shower enclosure, this shower door is sure to impress. The Nuie Renay sliding door is adaptable enough to fit any bathroom, coming in sizes ranging from 1,000 millimeters to 1,700 millimeters. Depending on your layout, you can open it from the left to the right or the right to the left thanks to its reversible design. To create a chic corner enclosure in the size that works best for you, install it in a recess, across an alcove, or even with an optional side panel. This sliding shower door's versatility makes it ideal for any style, while the clear, 6mm toughened safety glass adds an air of openness and allows light flood your room. Update your showering experience and create a fantastic space that seamlessly aligns with your lifestyle. Don't forget to check out the stunning brushed brass showers and accessories to complete your look. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.